In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use backup codes for the PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Backup codes are part of two-step verification on your PlayStation 4 console. They are useful because if you ever lose access to your PlayStation 4, you can input one of 10 backup codes, and this will allow you to enter your PlayStation 4 without the need to confirm further information. So, like I said, since they are part of two-step verification, they are only going to be available after you enable 2SV or two-step verification. To do this, go into the settings of your PlayStation 4 system and then go into the account management category. In there, you will be able to go into account information and then security. Inside of security, two-step verification will be available. Now, because you need to activate two-step verification before you have access to these backup codes, the first time you access two-step verification, there will be a prompt helping you set up this for your PlayStation 4 system. You will have to confirm your identity, confirm your phone number, and they might ask you about further information. So just follow the instructions on screen, make sure that you set it up properly, and once this says active, you will be able to access the backup codes at any time. I'm not going to go over the full process of activating two-step verification, but like I said, you simply have to confirm your phone number and then your email. Now, if you go back to the two-step verification menu after it has been active, there will be plenty of options such as the status, mobile phone, and finally, backup codes. Immediately upon accessing the backup codes option, you will be able to see 10 backup codes randomly generated. And like I said, if you cannot access your mobile number, and your PlayStation 4 is locked, you simply have to input one of these 10 backup codes. Keep in mind that they are single use, so once you use all 10 codes, you will have to generate new ones by disabling two-step verification and turning it back on again. As long as you have these codes saved, either by a photo on your phone or by writing them down somewhere, you will always have access to your PlayStation 4 in the case of you being signed out. I hope I was able to help you on how to use backup codes for the PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.